In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to arrange layers and shapes in Draw.io, whether you're using it embedded in Confluence or Jira. This simple yet crucial skill can enhance how you visually display and manage information, ensuring that your diagrams are clear and well-structured. Let's dive into the step-by-step process, starting with accessing the layer settings. First, you need to open the Layers dialog within the Draw.io editor. This can be done by navigating to the View menu and selecting Layers. For those who prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus L if you're on a Windows system, or CMD plus Shift plus L on a Mac. This dialog is your command center for managing layers, giving you easy control over their arrangement and properties. Once in the Layers dialog, you'll have powerful tools at your disposal. Want to add a new layer? Simply click the plus button at the bottom. It's as straightforward as that. Each new layer you create provides a separate space for organizing parts of your diagram. Should you need to rename a layer to keep things organized, just double-click on the layer's name, and you can type in a new one that describes its contents better. If a layer outlives its usefulness, select it and click the trash icon to delete it. Remember, this action will also remove all the content within that layer, so be sure you're ready to lose that data. Reordering layers is the next skill we'll look at, which determines what shapes appear in front or behind others. Dragging a layer up or down in the Layers dialog changes its position in the stacking order. Higher layers will always appear on top of lower ones. This reordering affects all shapes within a layer, positioning them relative to others within the stack. Next, let's discuss moving shapes or connectors between layers. Select the shapes or connectors you wish to reposition, and utilize the Move Selection To control in the Layers dialog. This tool often appears as an icon resembling a box with an arrow pointing out of it. By selecting your target layer, your shapes will be neatly transferred from their current layer to the new one, seamlessly. Within a single layer, shapes can sometimes overlap, and controlling their order is essential for clarity. Select the shape you want to bring into focus and use the Arrange menu. Choose Bring to Front or Send to Back to fully reposition it within the same layer. For finer control, Bring Forward or Send Backward will adjust the stacking order step by step, allowing you precise management of where each element sits. Finally, for organizing and protecting your work, you can toggle the visibility of layers by clicking on the eye icon in the Layers dialog. Use the lock icon beside a layer to secure it from unintentional changes, keeping your carefully arranged components intact. These features help ensure that your diagrams are not only informative, but also neatly organized and protected. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to arranging layers and shapes in Draw.io within Confluence or Jira. Mastering these tools will allow you to create more effective and visually appealing diagrams, enhancing collaboration within your projects.